Back out here in Lowell, Massachusetts at the new Cawley Field Training Center. This 6,500 square foot slab on grade was a challenging placement for several reasons. A lot of coordination goes into placing a slab like this with multiple slab elevations. This area here is depressed for the bathworks. Drop it in. The second challenge in this project was dealing with the embedded items. To be able to put this curb in, we had to set all the embedded anchor bolts and rebar, as you see here, during the slab on grade placement. Complex placements like this one require more than just manpower. They require planning, sequencing, and attention to detail long before the concrete arrives to site. Can't say enough about the crew and the relationships that make these pours possible.